Hello and welcome to Crazy Snack Shop. I'm your third and host, Prisha Malik. Let's make our father happy with a sweet treat on this Father's Day. Let's go. Let's start. For Nariyal Ladoo, first I'm taking coconut, Nariyal burada. Then I'm taking condensed milk. Now I'm mixing. You can use your hand also to mix it. Take a small amount of dough and make ladoos. Now roll it in the coconut powder. And put it in the plate. Let's mix more ladoos. And repeat the process. Now let's garnish it. Now it's ready. Our ladoos are ready for our sweet, hardworking father. Happy Father's Day! Hope you like my recipe. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel. Happy Father's Day to all lovely fathers.